Welcome to Beautiful Home Design Ideas. Imagine stepping outside and being welcomed not just by your backyard, but by your very own storybook corner of calm. A cozy escape from daily noise. A place to sip morning tea, flip through your favorite book, or simply soak in the golden hour glow. Today, we're diving into charming garden nook ideas that can turn even the smallest backyard corner into a magical retreat. Whether your space is a sprawling garden or a tiny patio, these ideas will spark your imagination and inspire your next outdoor transformation. Ready to create your secret escape? Let's get into it. If you have a tree or even just a pergola, this is your cue to create a reading nook that feels plucked straight from a fairy tale. Picture a vintage wrought iron bench or a rustic wooden swing hanging from thick branches. Drape soft outdoor curtains or light string lights from the branches above to frame the space in gentle, glowing ambience. Add a few outdoor cushions in botanical prints or soft pastels. Layer it with a chunky throw blanket for those cooler evenings. A small side table made from reclaimed wood or an old barrel adds a spot for your coffee mug or a vase of fresh garden flowers. You'll feel miles away from the rest of the world, right in your own yard. For something a little more mysterious and magical, create a tucked-away garden nook surrounded by lush greenery or climbing vines. Use lattice panels or a simple archway as an entrance and let nature take over. Train jasmine, wisteria, or ivy to climb along it, forming a leafy frame around your secluded corner. Inside, place a small bistro set, iron chairs with soft cushions and a round table perfect for afternoon tea. Think of this space as your own private garden cafe. Surround the nook with pots overflowing with herbs, lavender, or potted roses. Tuck in a few fairy lights or solar lanterns and you have an enchanting escape for any hour of the day. Loving these dreamy backyard ideas so far? If you're picturing your own garden nook already, now's the perfect time to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video if you're enjoying it and drop a comment below. Tell me which of these ideas you'd love to try in your own space. Your thoughts help this cozy little community grow, and I'd love to hear from you. Hammocks aren't just for beach vacations. A boho-inspired hammock nook brings casual charm and total relaxation to your backyard. Choose a hand-woven cotton hammock with fringe details and suspend it between two trees or sturdy posts. Beneath it, layer an outdoor rug and a few floor pillows for lounging. Add low lanterns or LED candles and you've got yourself a backyard sanctuary. This is the perfect space for lazy afternoon naps, stargazing, or getting lost in your favorite playlist. You can even create a privacy screen using bamboo fencing, macrame hangings, or tall potted plants to give it that dreamy enclosed feel. If you're drawn to floral prints, soft textures, and nostalgic charm, a cottagecore-inspired garden nook might be your perfect match. Start with a vintage-inspired bench or a pair of mismatched chairs that look like they've been passed down for generations. Drape floral cushions or handmade quilts over the seats to give them personality. Use old crates or a stacked set of vintage suitcases as side tables. Fill them with wildflowers, candles, or stacks of well-loved books. Incorporate antique lanterns or a weathered watering can for that authentic, lived-in charm. Surround the nook with flower beds full of peonies, daisies, or foxgloves, and you'll feel like you've wandered into a countryside dream. Prefer something more modern and minimalist? Create a Zen-inspired nook that invites calm with every detail. Choose a low seating bench or meditation cushion set over a gravel or wooden platform. Keep the color palette neutral: creams, sand, grays, and natural wood tones. Add a tabletop fountain or a small koi pond for the sound of trickling water. Bamboo plants, smooth river rocks, and minimalistic lanterns can frame the space without overwhelming it. This kind of nook is ideal for early morning reflection, yoga practice, or quiet evening wind downs. It's peace, presence, and balance, all in your backyard. And just like that, you've got 5 charming ways to carve out your own little escape, no matter how big or small your backyard may be. From boho hammocks to secret garden hideaways, there's something magical about creating a space that's just for you. So tell me, which garden nook would you love to bring to life? Let's chat in the comments. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe for more cozy outdoor ideas and like this video to help it reach more fellow garden dreamers. Until next time, here's to slow mornings, golden sunsets, and beautiful backyard moments.